Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this video we shall be looking at how to see all your forgotten password on your phone. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can see your forgotten password. So I will need you to pay attention, follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your Gmail. In this video I'm gonna show you two methods. The first one works on both iOS and Android, and then the second one works on only iOS. So for the first option, for the first method, which works on both iOS and Android, all you need to do is to open your Gmail application. At the upper right corner you can see your profile. Just click on that, and then you can see manage your Google account. Once you click on manage your Google account, scroll to where you can see security. Once you click on security, scroll down, and once you scroll down you can see password manager. Click on that, and once you click on that you have to confirm or enter your Gmail account password. But first of all, you can see your Facebook, so the account that you want to see its password. So supposing I want to see my Facebook account password, just click on Facebook. So you have to select the account first. So once you click on that, just wait as it is loading over here. So just wait for a while as it is loading for you to confirm your Gmail account password. But before it is loading, I will advise you, need you to like this video and also subscribe. Now confirm your password, enter your Gmail account password over here. For security reasons, so let me enter my password, and then click on next, and you can see the password of the Facebook account over here. Now all you need to do is to click on this I button. You can see the I button over here to view or to see your password. With this you can see every password on your phone. Now let me show you the second method, which will also work for you, but this works on both iOS, which is iPhone. Now all you need to do is to open your settings, and once you open your settings, scroll to where you can see passwords. Once you click on that, you have to confirm your you have to confirm your Face ID or your password or your screen lock. So just enter your password, your phone password, and you have to select the account. So in my case, I want to see my Facebook account password, and you can see username and you can see the password. Just click on it, just tap on this, and then once you tap on this dot, you can see your Facebook account password. With this you can see all your Facebook account password, or your any account at all, being Twitter, being Instagram, or the website that you have logged in. So with this you can see all your forgotten password. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button, so that anytime I upload a new video